sanded this down, we've tapered it down. So now you can see it's nice and smooth. Smooth down, so now it's going to fit inside the body where we want it to fit. So we don't need that anymore. So what we're going to do now is we want to drill our hole for our stick. And we have an 1¼ inch stick that we're going to put in here, and at the bottom I'll put a hook in here for a rubber band will attach to here and the bottom of the body. Keeps hold the head steady while you're working it. So we're going to drill an 1¼ inch hole, and we're going to use this bit here for the 1¼ hole. And it'll go up about 2½ inches or so. See, this is why we marked our center, so we wouldn't lose our center, because we lost where we had our ring mark, but we still know where our center is, so we know where to drill for that hole, so the hole for our stick will stay centered. So we're about 2½ inches up here. So we'll know where to put this. So you can see we got the hole drilled. So we're going to mount our stick to it. And our stick is going to go in here. We're going to glue this in, let it set up and dry, and then we can drill our hole for our string. Will be next. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.